Hello, channel name is the Technoboy. Subscribe to the channel, like and share. Do it right now. So before start the video, let me tell you that if you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel. And I have two more channels. One is study channel and another one is vlog channel. So you'll find the links in the description below, so do go there and check them out. Now let's get back to the video. What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's the buddy Technoboy, as you can see right there. So in today's video I'm gonna unbox another party speaker, which is right there. Here it is. So that's a party speaker. It's not so big but not very small either. You can see that's a quite standard size, and it's from Krisson's multimedia speaker system. So that's the main box packing, and the nice thing is that here you can see cylinder 4" into 2 speaker. In this thing you get 4" speaker number of 2, so which is better. You get a single 4" speaker, that sounds okay, but when you get a 2 4" speakers, that sounds much better. So that's it. So now let's open the box and check the product out. That's the product itself, and it's bubble wrapping. Alright, so at the side, what I can see is the remote control, a microphone, and USB charging cable. So that's the product itself, and both the speakers having a white color cone, so the RGB light can really have good reflections on those paper coat. So that's it. At the top here you can see has a volume control with RGB light, I guess. Here's some buttons are there for preview, next, play, pause, and that's the on off switch. That's a mic port, TF card, USB socket, and that's the DC 5V socket. So that's it. And at the back side nothing is there. QC passed. There's a button. Nice anti-slipping pads are there. The plastic quality looks good. And at the back side, top side, you can get the handle, carry handle, so you can carry it easily anywhere. So that's it. Now let's check the microphone. So that's a very small, nice remote control, good quality Type C charging cord. That's the microphone, and that's the bottom side. That's the connection, which is right here. The cord comes separately. On off switch is there, very light in weight, but this one's plastic quality doesn't look so good, but it's okay. So now let's turn this on and check it out.
Welcome to Krisson's music world. Bluetooth mode.
Oh, that's nice. So you can see the RGB lights, and that's the display. The Bluetooth is marking there, and at the top you can see the volume control with blue light. I told you the RGB light. Well, that's not RGB, that's the blue light. That's also nice. So now let's connect this thing to my mobile phone and check the sound. So this thing is connected to my mobile phone right now. Now let's check some songs.
Straight to the
So if I talk about the sound, it's clear, and bass is also good, because they are, as I can see it from here, they are not normal speakers, they are woofers, so they are producing good bass. But only downside I just found right now is the volume level. It's not so loud. As you can see, that's the max volume level, the 32. The volume is at 32 and it's not that much loud. So that's the only downside I found it right now. So it's not for what to say large hall or what to say good size party, but it's okay for small get together, mini house party, something like that, birthday party or anything like that. This is a compact speaker, very lightweight. You can carry it anywhere, so it can start the party anywhere. So that's the nice thing. And this thing cost me only 1500 from Amazon, so that's a very pretty good deal for this kind of thing. Well, in this price you'll get Zebronics too, but with a single 4-inch woofer and the small one. That is a bit louder than this, but this one sound is much better at this price range. So here you can see the front is metal grill and the plastic quality is good. So it's a cylinder type thing. You can put it anywhere at the corner, on the table, under the table, anywhere. It'll fix there and you can have the party anywhere, anytime. So that's a nice thing. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.